I use them at the salon, and I use it for any type of hair. Hi, I'm Gigi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about two perfumes that you see right in front of you and the comparisons, price point, and scent. I have talked previously about the Moroccan Oil Perfume or hair mist that they call. Well, there's another hair mist and perfume from Gisou. The alcohol content that both of them have is not going to dry your hair. It actually helps for the scent to go into your hair. Don't be worried that's going to dry or change your color, because on both of these I didn't experience any of that. Both companies, I think, have worked really hard to use ingredients that are beneficial for your hair. They're very conscious about putting the best ingredients possible so that way your hair doesn't dry and your hair stays healthy and shiny and your color stays vibrant. But the ingredients are different. The Moroccan oil has vitamin E, argan oil. It's a very light mist. This one is honey infused. So it's also really nice for your hair. And if you need any more information about ingredients, they're both very friendly on you finding out the ingredients on it. But Gisou, you click on the ingredients and it tells you what it does. The one thing I can say about both of them is that the smell does not carry for that long. Like, it doesn't last that long. Both of them are the same. You would have to take it with you and reapply. Now, the scents are not harsh, so you don't have to worry about it being something that's going to upset or offend other people because it's too much. No, they're both very nice, crisp scents, but the significant difference on both of them is price point. So they're both 3.4 ounces. So they have the same amount, but the price point is very significant. This one is around $45 and this one is a little bit over $80. So the price point is a big difference. It's just gonna be personal choice. I've used both and I like both. My customers really like both, but don't expect that because this one's more expensive that the scent is going to carry it for a lot longer period of time. No, for me, of what I found is that they both last the same. So I like them both. I recommend them both. If you want to go ahead and splurge, you can, and if you don't, by not splurging, that doesn't mean that you're not using good ingredients or you're not using a good product. For me, they're equally beneficial for your hair. It's just going to come down to your preference. So I hope that you really like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember that healthy hair is shiny hair. You take care. Ciao.